I have been working on this project in Roseland forever. We have had one problem after another, but we are finally getting it done. Drywall is going in. Insulation is done. Hey. They put all the ceilings in because we have to do insulation in them. It's gonna be blow-in insulation for the ceilings. So they did all of the ceilings because the insulation people was coming. We got all the insulation around the walls, but we got to blow in the ceiling. So that's what they're working on now. I can't wait till this project is finished because it has been a thorn in my side from us having to redo the foundation because the foundation cracked, running a new service plumbing line because the plumbing line was too small for the number of fixtures and it was old and decayed. This has definitely been a project that I cannot wait to be finished. As you can see on this level, oh shoot. We had waterproofing in the basement, so the basement is nice and dry now. So hopefully you all will see the finished project in about a few weeks.